metal platform bed frame that was purchased on TEMU. The cost was $34 and a few cents, so almost $35, I think. Yeah, not I think it was. So this is, yeah, this is what it says on here, and this one is the twin. I'm not going to, it's quite heavy. Oh, so the color is black, and yeah, twin, and the weight 25.79 kg pounds. These are the measurements. I think this is a package measurement. The net weight is 23. Oh, I think this is for scanning the thing, but this is it. Oh God, it's heavy. It's really heavy, and I'm not gonna open it yet because the room. It's my son's bed. This was purchased for my son's room. The room is not complete yet. It's still a work in progress. But this was purchased from TEMU. I did the purchase. The funds were gifted, and I purchased it for him. So TEMU is doing quite well right now based on what I've seen, because I saw this on Amazon on other places for like $80 and so on. However, I will be leaving the Amazon link. If I can't share the link for this from TEMU, or if they don't have it anymore, I will share the Amazon link so you guys can find it and try to find it on cheaper platforms, or if you want to purchase it on Amazon. But this is it. I will be setting it up as soon as the room is done, and I will post a video for that as a review. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.